Alright, so hello everyone, this is the first episode of Retro Gadgets. I really like retro gadgets a lot, and it's kind of sad to see that there's not much that people doing this game. It's absolutely crazy. And if we go to our screen right now, okay, I have something here, and I can show you my build so far. Like I have this called what is it called? BB Mini 1. It's called BB Mini 1. How cute this is. And it actually is functional. Like you could like put snares. Yeah. And then hi-hats. Yeah. Are you vibing it? Okay, so yeah, so like, but the thing about me is I don't really know how to code. So I actually set a challenge for myself. How about let's actually make something? And today what we're gonna be making is Pong. Do you know the game Pong? Well, if I just go to my it's an old game. It's about if I would show you this, if I go something like this, second monitor, and show you, this is Pong, my guys. This is Pong. Oh, you can play it online. Ayo, yep, this is Pong. Oh my god, I lost. And basically, we're gonna be, well, I'm gonna be coding this today. Well, I hope it's easy, I think. So originally this video is gonna be like a live stream, but I haven't unlocked live streaming yet on YouTube. I have to wait 24 hours to unlock it. So yeah, this is just gonna be like a normal video, but this is gonna be the video number 1 of my attempt of making the game Pong. So let's actually go start with something over here. First, let's actually put this to my drawer and actually start with something new. Well, this game is simple, so like it doesn't need to be big, right? So like I'm thinking maybe like just this thing with 2 blocks, and then put a screen maybe like this. You can't type that, that's lame. Maybe something like that might kind of work. There's kind of weird. I want to rotate this, but I can't. Maybe new plan. Maybe like something like this might work. Nah, I want to rotate this, but I can't. Well, I think I have no choice but to make this yeah, it's kind of weird. Okay, you know what, new idea. How about we just make the screen this size, so it's not even like gonna be this big, it's actually gonna be much smaller, I think. So it's gonna be more like something like this, which is much smaller than I expected. And then we're just gonna put this kind of screen and then put like controls on it. I'm thinking just 2 buttons, so this works. Yeah, and maybe making this diagonal makes sense, like something like that. And I would like the whole thing to be yellowish. And then for the buttons, paint it white. And then I think you like set a symbol, like I think you can like decorate it, but I forgot how to decorate it. Like here, do you see this? This is the symbol. I hope like I can zoom. I hope the Stream Deck has like a zoom feature. I bet they do. Let's actually try. Let's actually try. They don't have a zoom feature. Scene collection. I have no idea. I'm probably gonna do that in post, like editing. But anyways, if you see over here, we have a symbol. You can like set it on whatever you want, but for me, in this case, it's gonna be the up arrow and the an arrow up, which sounds maybe like X and Y might be cool, you know, like that, X and Y. Or maybe it's not X and Y, but what the hell is quad? Quad is quad. Pause is pause. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. How about disc and what's AC? AC is literally AC. You know what? Make this minus. Why not? Okay, I think I got this wrong here. On the top, I need to make it plus. If I could, there you go, plus here, and then minus here. I think that would look cool, absolutely. And yeah, I think we're finished on design. Yeah, let's actually like keep it as simple as possible. And I think we need sound as well, so I think I'm gonna put like a speaker. So let's just find like a speaker real quick. Yeah, like this. The thing about this game is whatever speaker you put, it's gonna sound the same. So like doesn't really matter which speaker you put, like even this small one works. Putting a speaker is okay. It doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. How can I deal with this? Can I hide that somehow? It's driving me crazy. Decorations, you can't put. Okay, how about this? Holy god. I cannot stand this. You know what? Like, let's keep it like that. I'm gonna die eventually though. As well as this. I don't like the shape of the power button right now, so like let's actually change that to this. I think this is gonna be more practical. Yeah, like that. I think, yeah, let's actually keep the design like this. So if I put like, okay, so let's actually put like things to it right now. I would like a video chip, and I don't really care if it's small or not. CPU chip, I don't really care if it's small or not. We're just gonna need to put a CPU there. What else? Audio chip. I think we need an audio chip to play sounds, right? I mean, it makes sense to me. I'm not gonna put like a keyboard chip for now. For the sake of simplicity, I think for now I'm not gonna put any keyboard chip or something like that. I don't know if you can play like I don't know if you can access your library without the ROM chip. I don't know, maybe you can, maybe you can't, but like you don't know. Okay, so let's brainstorm. If we would like copy a game right now, we're copying Pong. How does it look like? Like, how does it look like? We need like a reference. So when you look at Pong, right? When you look at Pong, you can see that it's kind of simple. We have 2 sticks, 1 ball, and 1 center line. That's it. I just need to remember that. 2 sticks, 1 center line, and 1 ball. That's it. Okay, so I kind of forgot about a lot of Lua lately, and I need to relearn all over again. And I think this is gonna take me a really long time. Sorry, guys. But let's actually just get through it. So the CPU, let's select that. Why you're not connecting? Now you're connecting. Okay. About the CPU. Oh, because it's turned on. Okay. Oh, we don't need to do that. We just need to turn it on, go here, and go to assets. Maybe. And then I cannot select things. Now I can select things. So video chip, we need to set that to video chip 0. And then I think the CPU is now set already, so we don't need to touch anything there. And in the code, I think we can just like basically just put like something like do you need to put it local or something? I think you do. So local plus button is equal to gdt dot, I don't know which one is it, but let's try it. So plus button dot let state equals true, maybe. And that's actually a false statement. Button state. I think LED state is the correct answer here. How about this? Will it turn on? It will. And it's actually the plus button. But here's one thing. I don't think I want it to glowy red. How about this? I don't want it to grow. How about white? Holy God. White blinds me, but I like it. How about green? So how about green? Not bad, but I think yellow is fine for now. Yeah, yellow is cool. And let's make another function called minus. And this is gonna be gdt.letButton1. And then shoot, I did not put my screen to retrogadgets. Sorry guys. Okay, okay, I'm gonna edit that on post. Sorry guys. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I hope somebody's watching and like telling me that I haven't switched the screen. I'm sorry guys. And then go here, minus button dot let state is equal to true here, and then go to minus button, make that yellow, and yeah, and actually lights up this time. But let's actually make a function called let's make a function called if button press, or like button LED, or let's just call it button action, button function. Maybe like button if press is probably the right function here. I don't know. Or like button press is the right function here. But okay. Oh, I forgot Lua doesn't need any curly brackets. I always forget. So this, but if plus button if plus button else end, I guess. I think this is how you write it. I have no idea, by the way. How do you make an else statement on this? Let's search. So I'm gonna switch my monitor to second monitor, and let's actually search about it. So Lua else if statement, or like else statement. Oh, you need then here. Okay, all right. So retrogadgets, just gonna put then here. Sorry if I cannot spell. Okay, so if plus button, and this we cannot leave it like this. We need like button state or button up. I think button or like button down. Let's go with button down. That sounds nice. And then plus button dot LED state is equal to true. And or what I can do is just this plus button dot LED state and just delete everything else. Like I don't need this. Oh shoot, it doesn't work. Oh wait, why is it like LED state is equal to LED state? This should be button state over here. It should work. Yeah, it works. As well as exiting. Can I do this? I can. That sounds horrific though. Maybe like maybe something like this. Boom. And it still works. All right. How about this? Does it still work? It still works. All right. Turn that off. Copy, paste it, and then here instead of plus it's gonna be minus, and then here minus. Let's try it. Oh no, it actually works. What the hell? Well, apparently works, so we don't have any like, we're not complaining. Okay, so I forgot how to draw things on the screen. Let's actually search about that. At first, I think we need to like define what our video chip is. We can actually call our video chip by just like GPT, not GPT, GDT dot video chip, but it's kind of a lot nicer if you could like put that into like an identifier, you know, like a function. I don't know if you could call this a function, but this function is gonna refer to the GDT video chip, and I'm gonna call it vid. It's gonna be equal to GDT dot video chip. So anytime we like refer to the function vid, it's always gonna refer to this. Nice. I want to try. Okay, so vid dot clear, and then inside I want it to be color dot clear. What this does is it's just gonna clear things on the screen. Nothing really, and nothing really interesting here. And I just want to know how to draw things on the screen. Let's actually go to the wiki and find out. So let's go to the retrogadgets documentation, and I just want to know how you can write things. display things, I guess. So it's not gonna be in the screen. Why would it? Video chip. It's gonna be in the video chip. I know. Okay. So there you go. This is interesting. Draw point grid. I'm interested. Vid dot draw point grid and grid offset, and this is gonna be vector 2. Zero zero, I guess. And then dot distance, let's go with 5. The color is gonna be red, of course. Let's try that. Oh my god, look at that. It's beautiful. So I think I'm guessing that from here to here is gonna be offset by 5. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5, the 5th dot, and it's just gonna go like sequentially. So it's actually working. So now I know that actually works. This actually draw the rectangle. I think the first thing I'm gonna draw is the player, and the player is on the right, if I remember. So I'm in this. Oh my god, I always forget that I'm in the second monitor. What the hell? Sorry guys, I always forget that. Like the thing about my setup right now is every time I open something in my second monitor, it covers OBS, so I wouldn't know if I'm actually in the main monitor. I'm displaying the main monitor or not. Oh no, that's really bad. I'm sorry guys. And what's the time now? It's 48. So like we have like little time left. It's fine. It's probably fine. So second monitor, I guess. Look, this is my second monitor. And wait, I want it to like switch automatically. Can I do that? Like, is there like a setting to switch automatically? Because like for example, if I'm dealing with my second monitor, it's gonna be this scene. If I'm dealing with my primary monitor, it's gonna be retro gadgets. I want it to be like that. So the thing is we're actually gonna use is probably fill rec. Let's go back to retro gadgets. Sorry guys. And let's make a new function called draw player. And very good name. You would know that this function draws the player. Beat that. And in the draw player, we need to like fill vid dot fill rec, and do you need to specify the video chip? I think not. So vector 00. How does this goes? Let's go to the second monitor again. It needs position 1, position 2 in color. Well, simple enough. So position 1, 0, 0. And then position 2 is gonna be like 30, 30. And then the color is like this is just testing purposes, nothing too crazy. It's gonna be white. And we did not put that on the function. So vid dot, not vid dot, just draw player, and let's test it. Yeah, it's actually working. The player is not that fat, so instead of 0 0, we're gonna be like 30 30, and then maybe not 30 here, around 10 or something. And then 16. Yeah, that's actually a very fair size for the player. Yeah, the length. So I think I need to make a global variable called local player pause. Since this is just gonna be like a simple game, I could just like create a single variable instead of using like a table or something like that. Like this is gonna be like so simple as hell. So player pause is gonna be vec2 right now, and it's gonna be in 0 0. Well, it's not gonna be in 0 0, and more like 30 and 10. And then okay, let's actually go to the documentation of vec2. So how do you actually use this? Well, that actually didn't help that much. I think I'm on my own. I'm just gonna like figure things out. So vec2 30 10. This gonna be like player pause, and then here I think let's make like a local variable, local, and I want it to be like player and pixel, and then it's gonna be equal to player pause plus vec2. I don't know if this works or something like that. I don't know if this works or not. This probably won't work, but I think it's worth like experimenting. Oh, it freaking works. No freaking way. No freaking way. I did not expect that to work. All right. That was unexpected. Very unexpected as hell. All right. So like, I'm guessing that instead of 30, let's put it like 40-ish, 70-ish. Well, it's not visible anymore. 60, 7-ish. Well, that's not visible anymore. 60-ish. Yeah, and let's delete this grid. And yeah, I think that's a good place for our player over there. And yeah, draw player. Since it's gonna be easy or something, since this is like an easy game, it's not that complicated. From now on, I'm gonna make the movement of the player, and I'm gonna actually code it inside the draw player, because it's not actually that. The project is not that complicated. So about moving, I think we can implement it by like this. Something like if plus button, then if plus button, then player pause is equal to how about plus equals to player pause is gonna be plus equals to vec to 0 minus 1, something like that. Let's try it. Oh my god, where are we where are you going? I forgot the button state there. It actually works. And I just need to copy and paste this. I can actually like, do you know like anything about wet method or like dry method? Wet means, what does wet means? Wet means write everything twice. What? Dry is don't write, don't rewrite, I don't know. Let's search it up. I forgot. So let's go to the second monitor again. I'm here in the second monitor, and what is wet and dry programming? Dry is don't repeat yourself, and wet is write everything twice. And the thing I'm trying to do right now is the wet method. It's not the dry. Wet is something you should do, but I'm doing the dry right now because the game itself is really that simple, and I'm only repeating like this because there's only 2 of them. If this was 3, I think it was better off to like write the code once and like have a for loop, something like that. But for now, since it's like there's only like 2, I don't have to do that. I just need to like write 2 if statements. But if there was 3 if statements, I would like put a for loop. Okay, so if the button down is pressed, it should be 1 over here, not -1. Oh shoot, what the hell happened? Nothing moves. That's kind of weird. I think this is why. It should be minus here. Boom. We have a problem. It's not clipping. We need it to clip so it doesn't go outside the boundary of the screen. I think let's put like an end here. End, but I hope like there's like this, but it doesn't recognize that. It's end. Let's see if Lua will recognize something else than end. So Lua symbols. I can't spell, sorry. I guess it needs to be end. And it's not clipping to 0. So how should I put it? It's kind of hard, really. It's kind of hard. How should I put something like it's not clipping? Huh. It's kind of hard, really. Alright, I think this is it for the episode 1 of I'm trying to make Pong. Thank you guys for listening. I think I'll be actually making a Patreon page. Yeah, I think for now I don't have any Patreon, but like on the next episode, hopefully I have a Patreon so like people could donate, and like if you want guys to continue this series, you know, drop a like and a subscribe button. We'll see you next time to the next video. Goodbye.